Welcome to Doug Does Stuff. I'm Doug, and today we're unboxing two Anycubic ACE 2 Pros, a SKU A and a SKU B. In looking on the web, I couldn't find exactly what a SKU A was and a SKU B and what the difference was. I know one is for one printer, one is for another printer, but that information is not easy to find. So down in the description, I'm going to have what a SKU A matches up to, what a SKU B matches up to, and then in the course of the video, you're going to see what's in each box. So let's get you up closer here and start unboxing SKU A. Okay, so here is our SKU A Anycubic ACE Pro. Let's get out the knife, put on some glasses, not for safety, just so I could see, and get this thing unboxed. Now, why am I doing this? Well, I want to get into this because I want that to print 19 colors. Stay tuned. All right, so as you can see in the box, very simple. This is SKU A. Let's pull this thing out of here. Really, there's not much to it. Some really, nice packaging. A lot of foam around it. Put that box down there. And this is everything you get in an ACE 2 Pro. Get that out of the way, and here we go. SKU B. So if that's for the Kobra 3 series, this must be for the S1. Let's see what our difference is. I'm over here struggling to get this out, and I just realized what I'm going to show you here in a second. Hold on. I just realized what the little triangles in the foam is for. Pulling it out of the box. That's a nice touch. All right, well, we don't need the foam anymore. We don't need the foam anymore. Look at that. Damaged in shipping, but the foam protected it. Woohoo! All right, a SKU B. Here we have our two ACE Pros. We have our SKU A and our SKU B. The units themselves identical. What's different is what comes with it. Let's go through that really quick. The same power cord, exactly the same. Now here you get what they're calling signal cable A, and this is for the Kobra 3, Kobra 3M, and the S1, one for each one. Signal cable B, okay, not labeled, surprisingly, but you get one of these with each. And this is going to be for the Kobra S1 Max and the Kobra X, these two. Put that aside. Now, this is where things start to get a little bit different. So they both have Bowden tubes. The Bowden tubes on SKU A, longer. The Bowden tubes, SKU B, shorter. Let's go over here. You get a, what is this? This is going to be the purge chute for the Kobra 3 Max series. All right, Kobra 3 Max series, poop chute, purge chute, they're calling it. So if you have a Kobra 3 Max, that. You also get a 4-in-1 filament hub that goes in the top of your extruder if you don't already have one. If you have one, you're all set. And then you also get these little things for the Bowden tubes. Over here on your SKU B, you're going to get this piece here, which is the adapter plate, and that's going to hold on this, which is the, they call it different things. Here, it's called the return detection module. In the book, it's called the clog detection module. This is going to go on the side of the Kobra X or on the back of your S1 Max. All right, and then you also have the screws for it and the screws for the filament hub. So those are the main differences. It's also in the book right here. It'll walk you through it. But if you're looking at which one do you need, SKU A, Kobra 3 series, that's Kobra 3, Kobra 3 Max, Kobra 3 V2. SKU B is for your Kobra S1, your Kobra S1 Max, and your Kobra X. And again, the differences are up here. Now, that's only the initial setup. If you want to do more than 4 colors, you want to have 2 of these linked together, then we got to do something different. But that's not for today. It's for a different video. Anyway, listen, I hope that helped. I've been pretty confused about it myself, trying to figure out which one I need, which one I don't need, because I do want to print on here 19 colors. And that's going to be the plan coming up once I get all of this stuff figured out. So, hey, thanks for watching. If you got any value out of this, leave a comment, hit the like button, maybe subscribe as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for your time and for being here. I greatly appreciate you watching Doug Does Stuff. And remember, go out there and do good things.